So as you can see here, we have the error that the photos.edit page is not found. So let's do that now. Let's just copy this one and paste it here, and let's rename it to, so here it's edit, and remove the copy and use the .blade.php. So now we have the same form as we had before. So let's change this one to edit photo, and here also edit photo, and we need to take the user to the update route and provide photo ID, and we need to provide the onCtip, and we need to override the method. So the method, the request method is put. So because here we have post, so we need to override it here. So we don't need image, so we will not update the image because users will buy this image, so they need to have the image. So we can't update an image or delete an image. So we update only the body and the price. So the body will be the same as we have before, but we only, so here, so let's so here let's display the photo body, and what else, also we need to keep the error or the validation error messages, and we need now to move to this one, to the price, but the checked here will be different from the one that we did before. So we will use directive from Laravel, which is this one, the checked, and we need to test if the photo is free. So if the photo is free, so this red radio button will be checked. If not, so this one will be checked. So here we will do the opposite. So if the photo is not free, so then this input radio will be checked. And the final one is the price. So here we need to add value for this price. So let's do that now, the value, and give it, so not this one, but where is the, so let's bring this one from here and use it here. So we need to provide the price as value, and submit button is the same, and we need the check if free, but we don't need the read URL, so we don't need this one. So let's refresh the page and see what you will get, and you can optimize the code if you want to move the function to the app.blade.php, this function which is check if free, or move to the two functions, check if free and the read URL. So we don't use them in two places, so we have them here, as you can see, inside create and also inside edit. So you can do this, you can update the projects as you want. So now we have the company at night, and the image is free. So if we want to make it paid, and camping at night, nice picture, and submit, and as you can see, the photo updated successfully, and now we have $2 here. Let's try to make this one free, but this one is paid, as you can see. If we refresh the page, so it's paid, but the price is not appearing. which is the input field. The input field needs to be not hidden, so it needs to be appearing, because here we have the noun, so we need to check if the image is free, so we will keep the noun. If it's paid, then we need to remove the noun, so let's do that now. So here we check for photo, so if it is free, then we will add the noun, and the noun needs to be, so not like here, but here needs to be inside, so the quotation marks. If not, then we only add an empty string, so we don't add anything. So if the photo is free, we will have the noun. If not, we will have nothing. So let's refresh and see what we have. So now, as you can see, the price is here. So if we made it free and we save, now it's free. Let's try to update it and see if the, so now as you can see, the price is hidden. So let's make it available again. But I think we need once we, let's go back, once we update an image, if you have noticed, when I edit an image, let's edit this one, let's make it for now free, and we save. If we go back again, now it's free. If we go back again, so the price is not appearing, but when I click on paid, so the price is 6, which means that the price did not update when we update the image. So let's do that now. We need to, when the image is set to free, so we need to remove the price. So let's do that now. So let's move to the update function. So here, after we have the data, so let's check for the data is free. So if we have the is free field, then data price, so we will give it 1. So 1 is the default value of the price. So if we go back here, so the price by default will be 1, so you can't move down or you can't move below 1. So let's move to create and let's give it here, where is it, the price. So where is the price? So this one, the min one, let's give it a value of 1. So by default we will have 1. If we refresh now and we choose paid, now we have 1, as you can see. And same thing we will do here. So once we update the image, if the image has been set to free, then we will change the price of the image to 1. So when we try to update an image again, so we will have the price is 1. So let's check and see. So let's move to, so here this link, it's not taking us to dashboard. Why? So let's move to the navbar. Where is it? So I think it's this one. So it needs to take us to the admin.index. So not this one, but I think this is the one, dashboard. But this one is taking us to the profile of the admin, so we don't have a profile. So here is the, so inside the dashboard, not this link, not this one. So I made a mistake. Sorry for this mistake. So now, as you can see, let's try to update this image. And as you can see, now we have the price as 1. Let's try to make it 3. So now it's 3 because here we don't have the is free. The is free is false. But if we make the is free, now 1, or the value of is free is became now, not now, but it becomes 1. And as you can see, we have 3. If we move and we edit the image and we choose paid, we have here 1. So this is the code that we have here. So when it's free, we set the price to 1, as you can see here. When it's not free, we keep the price that the user has chosen. If we choose now 2 and we send, now it's 2, as you can see, and everything is working as expected. Now we have done with the backend. Next we need to move to front end, and inside front end for now we don't have anything. Also we don't have a route. It will tell us that there is 404 not found page. So let's start fetching and displaying pictures, and the user can browse pictures, picture details, and later we will add the buy functionality. So let's do that now.